Alright guys, what's going on? I'm going to be talking to you about the Ivation folding magnetic exercise bike. This thing, had it in our place for, I would say, about 2 years now. It's a very, very simple, very easy, non-aggressive piece of workout equipment, and portable and nice for the home. I wouldn't recommend it for serious trainers. I mean, I'll kind of get to why, but it's, you know, for what it is, it's a really simple, easy piece of machinery. So first thing I'll talk about the build. It is very sturdy. It's made of a steel tubing, so you know it doesn't really shake around or anything when you're riding it, which is nice. It does, however, need to be set on a flat surface. So if you're thinking about doing this, I don't know, you know, outdoors, or it doesn't come with any like levelers or anything, so you need to have it set on a flat surface to be able to use it. Adjustment, the seat can be adjusted up and down pretty easily. You have this little thing right here and it's locked, and all you need to do is pull it back and you can pull it in and out. It's really hard to do with one hand, but it is a very simple, easy seat adjustment, and it fits. My girlfriend is the one who bought this originally. She's 5'3", I'm 5'10", and both of us fit on this very, very easily. It really only takes a few seconds to do that. You know, loosen the knob, set it again, and I think there are about 7 different heights in all. So, you know, it goes up and down, but with a pretty wide range. In terms of resistance, so you have a resistance knob right here. There are 8 things of resistance. Just twist it and it works. It's basically like a magnetic resistance. So you can also, like, because it's placed right here, which is kind of nice, you can adjust it while you're riding the bike, which is like a, you know, a really nice kind of handy thing. You know, it honestly doesn't even get to be that crazy of resistance. Like I've ridden, you know, bikes like this at the gym where the resistance seems to get much higher and much more intense. Even at 8, I don't feel like it's incredible. I mean, like I said, that's why this isn't really, I think, for like the intense athletes who are really trying to train. This is just for, like, you know, a nice, easy cardio workout that you can enjoy at home. So, you know, more for like beginners or intermediate athletes or trainers. The pedals have little straps that hold your feet in place. I get why they're there, but I also kind of find them to be annoying, to be honest with you. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's just me feel like trapped. I feel like my feet are stuck, and I've actually never even liked these sorts of things on like fixed cycles or things like that. Just, I don't know. Maybe it's just a personal preference. I find them kind of annoying, but I do get why they're there. Because of the way the pedals are angled down, you get more of like a top leg exercise on this bike. So, you know, that's what you're really, it really feels like you're working on this. And they aren't really designed to stand on. So like if you're used to, you know, taking cycling classes or things like that, you're not going to be standing on these pedals and like really pushing forward. The bike, it's just the shape, it's just not built that way. As for comfort of it, the seat is padded. I think it's a really nice seat. My girlfriend hates it. She got a little cover to put on it, which that's what she pretty much uses. But I'm fine with this seat. It's like any other bike in the world. It's like, you know, some people are gonna love the seat, some people aren't. Just get one that's, and if you don't like this one, buy a seat cover online or something. Get one that's comfortable for you. Bike itself, super quiet. You would never even know that anyone else is working out, and while you're working out you can watch TV. Sometimes I'll just be like, oh, I want to watch my show, but I also hate just like sitting on the couch, so yeah, I'm gonna try and work out while I'm watching TV, so that's kind of nice. The storage, when it's broken down, it's very compact. So you easily just fold it up, and this is, I'm able to fold it up like this right now because I didn't lock it in. So essentially right here is where you lock it and then it stays. But like I said, when you do that and you fold it up, it gets to a really nice boom position and you're set, you're solid. So that's kind of nice. Excuse me, the console right here on the front, very basic, works with AA batteries. You can look at things like time, speed, this is when you're actually going, pulse, calorie, distance, and you can change the modes right there. And then you have these little things in the handlebars. These are essentially little heart rate monitors. You have to have both of your hands on them for it to read. It's very basic. I honestly don't even pay attention to it or use it, but it is there if that's something you like. Yeah, AA batteries, like I said. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a really simple bike, really low-end exercise bike, cheap, easy, sturdy, does its job. So, you know, if you're looking for a kind of a light piece of equipment to have at home, I would definitely recommend it. It's the Ivation magnetic foldable bike. Happy exercising.